We take the next problem, integral x power n log x dx. Here, put u is equal to log x and dv is equal to x power n dx. So, integration of dv is what? V. Integration of x power n is what? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Now, uv, u is what? Log x into x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus integral v x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 into du. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x into dx. So, this is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 into log x minus, here one x cancels with x power n plus 1 remaining, x power n only, 1 by n plus 1 is there, and integration of x power n is what? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Or in these two things you can take x power n plus 1 as a factor or log x as a factor. Not log x, x power n plus 1 can be taken outside as a factor. So, x power n plus 1 into log x by n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1 whole squared plus c. Next, 17th problem. Integral log x by x squared. Log x by x squared into dx. So, here also u is equal to log x, dv is equal to 1 by x squared into dx. So, v is equal to, you must remember, integration of 1 by x squared is what? Minus 1 by x. So, uv log x into minus 1 by x minus integral v minus 1 by x into du. Differentiation of log x is what? 1 by x into dx. So, minus log x by x minus minus plus 1 by x squared. Integration of 1 by x squared is what? Minus 1 by x plus c. So, minus 1 by x you take as a factor, then you get minus 1 by x if you take as a factor, here you get log x plus 1 plus c. Here minus sign is there, but x squared is not there. The next problem, integration of log of 1 plus x into dx. So, there is only u here, that is what? U is equal to log of 1 plus x and dv is equal to dx. So, if dv is dx, v is equal to x. So, uv is what? Log of 1 plus x into v is what? X minus integral x into v is a differentiation of log of 1 plus x is what? 1 by 1 plus x into dx. So, this is x log of 1 plus x minus, here add and subtract. So, we have already done this type of problem by 1 plus x into dx. We have added 1 and subtracted 1. So, this is equal to x into log of 1 plus x minus integral 1 plus x by 1 plus x is 1 minus 1 by 1 plus x into dx. This is equal to x into log of 1 plus x minus bracket integration of 1 is x minus integration of 1 by 1 plus x is what? Log of 1 plus x brackets close plus c. Integral sin inverse x dx. here once again u is equal to sin inverse x, dv is equal to dx. So v is equal to x, uv sin inverse x into x minus integral v is what? X here, and differentiation of sin inverse x is what? 1 by root of 1 minus x squared into dx. So this is x sin inverse x minus, here what we do, right, this minus I bring into the bracket, minus x, and here multiply by 2 and divide by 2 divided by root of 1 minus x squared into dx. Now put t is equal to 1 minus x squared, dt is equal to minus 2x into dx. So minus 2x into dx is already there. So x sin inverse x plus half integral dt by t. So it is x sin inverse x plus half integration of dt by t is what? Dt by root t is what? 2 root of t plus c. 2 and 2 cancel. So it is x sin inverse x and t value substitute plus root of 1 minus x squared plus c. Next problem is 20th, that is integral x cos inverse x into dx. There are two methods, by parts. Directly you can do it, or otherwise some substitution you can use it. Let t is equal to cos inverse x. So cos t is equal to x. So minus sin t dt is equal to dx, or we can leave it like that, minus sin t dt is equal to dx. So this problem, wherever x is there, you can write cos t, cos inverse x is there, t, and dx is there, minus sin t into dt. So that minus sign you take and multiply by 2 and now divide by 2, integral 2 or t into 2 sin t cos t dt. So this is minus half integral t sin 2t into dt. So now you use the by parts. U is equal to t dv is equal to sin 2t into dt, and v is equal to minus cos 2t into half. So now this is what? Minus half big bracket uv. U is t into minus half cos 2t minus integral v minus half cos 2t into du is what? Dt. Now this is minus into minus is what? Plus half t cos 2t minus into half, 3 minus signs is what? Minus 1 by 4. Integration of cos 2t is what? Half sin 2t plus c. Now what you do, everything, but you got the answer in terms of t, but you must get in terms of x. So half t cos 2t in terms of say x will be here 2 cos squared t minus 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 into sin 2t is what? 2 sin t into cos t. So this is half t into 2 cos squared t minus 1, and here 1 2 cancels, minus 1 by 4 cos t, I write like that. Sin t is what? Root of 1 minus cos square t plus c. Here once integration is over, plus c is necessary. Now wherever t is there, you write now substitute back. T is what? Cos inverse x. So cos inverse x by 2 into 2x squared minus 1. Why? Cos t is what? X. Minus 1 by 4. Cos t is what? X into root of 1 minus x squared plus c.